Hello everyone and welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to clear Tantan app cache and data to resolve errors. So now let's get started. First of all, open your phone settings. Now search for apps. Now navigate to apps and here search for Tantan and tap on it and scroll down and again tap on storage. Now finally, tap on Clear Cache, which is at the bottom left corner. Now this will remove temporary files that could be causing issues. Now to clear data, simply tap on Clear Data and again tap on Delete. And now this will log you out and erase app references. So that's it. This is how to clear Tantan app cache and data to resolve errors. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.